students of standard 10, in geography you are learning about minerals and energy resources. Today you are going to learn chapter 6, Minerals and Energy Resources, part 3. In this part 3 you are going to learn about the conventional sources of energy, in which you are going to learn about mineral fuel, and there are two important minerals known as mineral fuel. They are coal and petroleum. Today you are going to learn about coal. How is it formed? Coal is formed in the Carboniferous period due to high temperature and pressure by the decomposition of plants and animals. In Carboniferous period, there was large deposition or decomposition of plants and animals. They were buried below the surface and they are changed into coal, and they are found between the layers of sedimentary rocks. So, in India, if you see, India has the largest deposits of coal, but the best quality of coal deposits are less. There are some areas where inferior quality of coal is found. If you see the types of coal, there are 4 types of coal: peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite. Peat, it is the inferior quality of coal. Carbon content is about 35% and it is mainly found in Kashmir Valley and Nilgiri Hills. If you look at the map, Kashmir Valley and Nilgiri Hills. Second is lignite. Carbon content is about 40% and it is mainly found in Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan and Kerala. Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan and Kerala. Third is bituminous type of coal. It contains about 70 to 80% carbon and it is mainly found in Jharkhand, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. So these states are here: Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, where this type of coal is found. Fourth is anthracite. It contains about 85 to 90% of carbon. It is regarded as the best quality of coal, and if you see the quality, it is hard and compact. It burns slowly, gives more heat without smoke and soot. So it is the best quality of coal. If you see the distribution of all these types of coal, these coal deposition which is found in different parts of the country, they are divided into 2 categories according to their deposition in different geological periods. First is Gondwana coal fields, which was formed nearly 200 million years ago, and these coal fields are mainly found in the river basins. Look at the map. Gondwana coal fields are mainly found in Damodar Valley, Mahanadi Valley, Godavari and Wardha Valley. So these coal deposits which were formed about 200 million years ago. Second is the tertiary coal field. This type of coal fields are found in the areas where they are newly formed. About 66 million years ago, these deposits were formed, and they are found mainly in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir and Tamil Nadu. So these are the areas where tertiary coal fields are found in India. If you see the importance of coal, you know very well how important is it. So, coal is very important for domestic purposes, for the industries like iron and steel industry, as it is utilized to purify iron ore, to make iron ore changing into pig iron. Also it is utilized for thermal power to generate electricity. It is utilized for various other purposes, and it is the main source of power and energy. And some of the byproducts are benzol, phenol, tar and sulfur. They are also produced during the processing, and they are also very important and useful. Some important centers where coal is produced largely in India, they are Jharia and Bokaro in Jharkhand, Raniganj in West Bengal, Korba in Chhattisgarh, Sambalpur and Talcher in Odisha, Wardha in Maharashtra, Hospet in Karnataka and Naveli in Tamil Nadu. So these are some important centers where coal fields are found. Do you know? Jharia coal field is the richest and largest coal field in India, and Raniganj coal field is the oldest coal field. Do learn about the coal mining in India. Thank you.